a separate thing.
Because I thought that they were like trying to tie them together. Okay,
Yeah.
very cool.
So we're here at what, the Imagine Cup?
Yep.
And what is this?
Okay,
Because
so
I don't have no clue.
Okay, so the Imagine Cup is like come up with a cool idea and build it, like something that brings the world together, solve some type of like cool problem, and like build it, and just see what you can do with it.
Yeah, and all it's open to what, high school and college?
Oh, high school and college. They actually have a lot of divisions. Like we're in the, I guess I'm in the software division. I don't know what these guys are in, but they have like they have an IT division, which is testing your knowledge at IT. They have like graphics design type thing. They have an algorithm. I mean, all kinds of cool competitions.
Right. And they have video competitions.
They actually do. Yeah, you should enter.
No, I'm not talented enough. I don't know if you've seen my videos, but I watched the videos that went last year, and it's like completely better video.
Okay.
So who are you guys?
Okay. I'm Tony Valenti. I'm the lead student ambassador for the North Central region.
Okay.
Also, I'm up here for the team from University of Nebraska at Omaha. Who are you guys?
I am Peter Vittori, the Bradley University Student Ambassador. I'm here also representing my university.
Wow.
And I'm Brian Nosman. I'm here out of Chicago.
Now you're only 17, right?
That is correct.
And you're Microsoft MVP too.
I am.
For 3 years.
3 years.
So you were an MVP when you were 14?
14, 15, I think.
Wow, that's just. I was an MVP for 5 years, but I was a little older when I got my first award.
You won the IT, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And tell me about the IT competition.
It was just had to answer some questions and then write a response to an RFP
Okay.
they put together.
Oh, that would be sweet.
And you won what, $8,000?
Something like that. They just told me this morning. So.
Wow.
He's like, I got money? Cool.
Congratulations.
I was doing it for free until this morning.
That's very cool. Well, go over to the company store and buy some software. But what's next for you?
I guess I'm done.
Okay.
Here. So I'm just out for.
So when are you going to start your company? How do I invest in you? Are you going to be the next Bill Gates when you're 19? You're going to be starting a company? And well, actually, Joe Hewitt, Blake Ross on the Firefox team is only 19.
Okay, wow.
So you got some big shoes to fill there, right?
Yeah.
What kinds of things do you like to do with you're the server MVP, right?
I'm a Windows Server MVP.
So why did you get that award? Why did you?
I answer questions on the Exchange and AD news groups, usually a few days a week.
And tell me about some of the systems you built with server.
I work for a consulting firm out of Chicago, and the team I'm on, we manage a enterprise network for about 500,000 users. We have about 60,000 Exchange mailboxes across one data center. We have about 650 sites where all our users are.
Damn. That's really cool. What would you like to see here at Microsoft?
I'm actually, after this, I'm going over to get together with a friend. We're going to walk around the EEC for a while.
Mm-hmm.
And
that's the Enterprise Engineering Center?
Right.
Yeah, they have some cool stuff over there. I had a few $1 million worth of Sunboxes that just showed up there, too.
So I've heard.
It's a really cool place. Who would you like to meet at Microsoft?
Come on, say that.
Come on, say it.
You want to go see Bill? I can't get in his office either. I'm still trying to arrange an interview, although he is asking for one. What do you think you want to do next with your life? I mean, I can't even imagine being 17 and running a server farm with, how many users do you say?
We have about 60,000 full-time employees and about 450,000 students.
Whoa. All right, you want a job here? I can introduce you to some people. We need some more. And you're a coder too, right? You
I write some code, and just mostly what I need to get the job done. I do some freelancing in the evenings now and then.
Yeah. What kind of other things do you use on a computer? What got you into computers? I mean,
just been doing this for a while.
What's that?
I had just been doing this, and now here I am.
Wow.
I had an interesting story when I got involved with it. When I was 5 years old, I was watching an article on 2020 with my parents, and it was about this company called Microsoft and how they had just released some Windows 3.1 or something like that, and how they were doing all right. And I'm like, hey, that looks cool. That's what I want to do. And it was actually kind of cool because my mom, she has her degree in programming, and she taught she booted up QBasic like 3.0 and showed me the glorious F1 key, and that was where I started.
Yeah. So, what information sites or what communities do you guys hang out on, like Slashdot or Channel 9 or?
Well, we got the Spoke. We have. Oh God, there's so many.
I'm over on the ASP.NET forums with the .NET Nuke community a lot.
Yeah. How about you?
Yeah, I do.
I think you're a little too busy there.
I am a moderator at ASP.NET forums, actually.
Oh, what's your login?
B. Desmond.
Okay.
MS News is why I'm an MVP, and I try to read blogs.technic and .msdn.
Yeah.
Don't really have time, though,
Yeah.
to really keep up with it.
Yeah, it's a lot of information coming at you. What's cool about have you hung out with the other people from the other schools here?
I have not met anyone.
Oh, really? You just got here an hour ago. So most of the contestants, they're all over from the United States here at this location, and then the winners from here go to Japan later in the year.
U.S.
or something?
regional national finals will go into Japan to compete against the rest of the world.
Wow. So that's a lot of fun. What's the contest like here? Tell me about what will happen here over the next 2 days.
Everyone will be taking their teams will be presenting their project to judges, and the judges will decide who from regional finals will be the regional finalists, and then those regional finals will compete in the national finals, and then from there they'll pick. Is it
I think it's only
just
one.
The top one team for the United States will go on to Japan and represent the United States.
Wow.
So
the competition, there's what, 80 or 100 people here, right?
Yeah. Here,
There's like
40 teams.
39 or 40 teams.
40 teams.
Wow.
Out here.
And one all-girl team.
Not really. Come over here. Who are you?
I think that's the rumor. Kevin, is that true? We're the only all-girl team?
I believe you are.
Ah, see?
Now, who are you?
Tanya Chiso.
And where are you
Boston partner. We're from Boston, Massachusetts.
from? And high school or college?
She goes to BU, grad school,
BU,
and
okay.
I'm postgraduate work also.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And what was the contest? How did you get here?
I heard about an Imagine Cup ever since the first year. I was in college then, undergraduate, and I just thought it was really interesting because you get to build your own application and showcase it in front of so many people. So.
Right.
So
What's the application?
Yeah, yeah.
What's the application?
Yeah, go for it. Tell. Yeah, sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah, go ahead. We've been very secretive about it. Very covert.
I think you should.
Yeah, we've been asked. Oh, here he is. He asked us a lot of questions on the shuttle bus.
Oh, really?
I think he was doing reconnaissance.
All right, spill the beans.
Okay. It's a rapid disaster communication solution, and what it really does is help us create an active interface for disaster management, because right now in this country, and we've seen also recently in case studies like the tsunami of December 26th, that there's no active interface that tells people a disaster's happened. And when you have to rely on the government system like the emergency broadcast system, that's really meant as spontaneous system. You have to be tuned in to the TV or the radio in order to get that warning. So this is something that's going to bring it right to your smart device and tell you instantaneously based on clients being those organizations and agencies. And they are going to trigger the alerts based on certain protocols and authentication procedures. And then the subscribers are going to receive the notification via their SMS, email, to their smart device, smartphone, pocket PC, desktop, laptop, tablet, whatever is your medium
Very
for
cool.
communications. Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the architecture you guys are working on.
She's the expert. Go for it.
Well, we built it based on the .NET framework, of course, and we use the C# languages. And we use a couple component, unmanaged component, like the pinfolks, and some of the open source API that I could use to build the communication channel using the SMS messages and email. So
Wow.
it's a lot of work. We have been working on it for
Nonstop.
yeah. I haven't been sleeping for
A long time.
I know how that goes.
But we're not coding, so
Says
we're
the
not
guy who was blogging at 5 in the morning.
Yeah, there you go. Blogging at 5 in the morning. Well, someone asked us what time we got up, and I said, "You're assuming we went to sleep." So,
Yeah.
so
So are you guys ready?
we think so.
I guess so.
Yeah,
Trying to get ready.
We're not going to let any scope creep happen. Yeah, right. So
Could add one more feature.
possibly, we're thinking about it. That web services that we wanted to do, we're like thinking, well, can we get it done by tomorrow morning? No. So, but you know, I think we're bug free. We're hoping. Looks like we're pretty bug free. So I think
Very
the demonstration is going to be great tomorrow.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And you're competing against how many other teams?
There's 40 teams, I guess, here.
Wow.
And they've been broken down into 9 regions, and every
So
region.
only one team from the United States goes on in the
That's
finals?
right. Yeah, that's what I understand.
So the competition's pretty fierce.
It's really fierce, and I think you've got a lot of different creativity, angles happening. So it's going to be comparing apples to oranges sometimes, but they're all great.
Well, we'll be looking forward to it. Will the results be put up on the spoke?
I'm hoping so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
So
Yeah,
cool.
We're hoping.
Well, good luck to
Thanks.
both of you, and
Thank you.
thanks
Nice
for
meeting you,
talking
too.
with us for a little while.
Thanks.
All right.
Thanks.